Hey, guys, today, let's try to check your login activity on Snapchat. So if you guys are wondering how to check the login activity over on your Snapchat application, and also view the people or the sessions that is currently logged in on your Snapchat application, this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So we need to do first is to launch the Snapchat application. From here, I want you to tap on your top left corner to access your profile, and then I want you to tap on your setting. Now, once we're already on our settings, well, we need to actually do an access. From here is our two-factor authentication setting. So over here, there were two-factor authentication settings. If you do have this enabled, you will have the specific option over here to access your forget devices. Now, this is also gonna show you the list of your devices is currently logged in using your account. And here is where we could also access the different options for us to remove those devices. But on that section, we can actually view the specific applications or devices that is logged in using our account. So it's that easy, guys. I think it was for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.